Hey guys, in this video we're going to be tie-dyeing. Comment down below what color you would choose to tie-dye something if you were going to do that. Okay, so these are what I'm going to be trying to tie-dye. So I think you have to pre-wash it, like if it's brand new, before you tie-dye it or whatever. And then, I'm not sure, I think for some things, or maybe all of it, it has to be like wet when you're tie-dyeing it. Anyway, this is the first thing, so it's just like a plain t-shirt. I think I'll do a crumple dye on this. And at one point I wanted to iron on like a butterfly patch and like sew it on, like a green one, but I did not do a few pieces, so I might just make this one just tie-dye. And then the second thing is this. It's just a tank top. It's sponsored, by the way. That's just the dye I had. So it came with the dye, obviously, an instruction book, some elastic bands, and gloves. So just gather up the fabric and use the elastic bands to hold it in place. Pinch a section and then twirl the fabric around and use the elastic bands to hold it in place. So basically for ice dye, you just put ice on the top of the fabric, and then you want to make sure you have enough dye around like all the edges and the top, and then it'll seep through to the bottom. I ended up, once the ice melted, not covering it in plastic wrap. Not sure if you would or not, so I just left it and it turned out fine. For this one, just make sure to cover the whole shirt or all the sections with dye, and then you also flip it over to make sure you get the back. And yeah, just make sure you wear gloves the whole time. Or you might also get some tie-dyed hands. The tie-dye, this is what it's looking like. That one you can't really see because it's in saran wrap. But this one looks so cool. Also, you might want gloves while you're rinsing the shirt out, or your hands will get stained temporarily. Okay, so now you're gonna rinse your tie-dyed projects until the water runs clear. Then you're gonna wash it. So this is how the first shirt turned out, the ice tie-dye. I'm super happy with it. It was super fun to do. Ice tie-dye is definitely a cool new technique to try if you haven't tried it before or you want to try it again. Second shirt also turned out really good. I'm super happy with it, and it makes me think of summer. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. See you guys next time.